Hi guys, so this is different, isn't it? So today I thought I would vlog because it is my sister's baby shower and we've had it planned for a very long time, and I just thought I would take you along with me just because I think it's going to be a really good, fun, cute day for her. All she knows is where the venue actually is, but she doesn't know what's going to take place. I don't think she knows it's afternoon tea because we'll be having afternoon tea there. We've also brought little things for her, so we've like ordered a cake, we've got some balloons, we've done like a big hand pat inside a baby's bath, and Natalie brought these cute little pink baby bottles and filled them up with sweets. I'll have to show you because they're really cute. But yeah, it's currently 10:38 and it's Saturday 24th of March, so Nat's gonna come about 11. For you guys that don't know, Natalie's my sister, so yeah, she's coming at 11, and then we're gonna set it all up, get everything in place, and then afternoon tea is around 12, so Katrina is coming around 12 along with some other family members, and as I said, she doesn't really know what we've got planned. She's having a baby girl, so this is the reason why I'm wearing pink. The theme was for us all to wear pink. I've just got like a pink peplum top on, as you can see in the back. Hi. But yeah, we're all wearing pink. So yes, I'm really excited. It's my first baby shower. She's only got 5 weeks left, but by the time this goes up she'll only have 4 weeks, so I'm really excited. But I'm just going to finish getting ready and then I'm going to take you guys along with me. So we're on the way to the venue. Does Katrina know where it is?
No, she doesn't. It's a big surprise.
Oh, so she doesn't know where it is. Does she know there's afternoon tea?
No, she doesn't know there's
So she doesn't literally know anything at all. So we're on the way now. The handpaid's in the back of the boot, else I would have showed you, but I'll show you when we get there. The balloons are being delivered by someone that Natty used to work with. She's really good. I'll have to show you the balloon. She's really good.
Below.
Yes, I'll link her Facebook account down below. So yeah, we'll be there now. Oh yes, the cake. I've already told them about that, but I will show you the cake. It's really nice. But yeah, I'll show you the balloons and the cake and everything when we get there. So yes, when we're there. So these are the cute little baby bottles that we've put sweets in. We've got loads. These are all of them. So this is the centerpiece. We had balloons, so we had a baby in the bath, and then Natalie's friend done cake, so we've got baby going, and then so the stork is actually holding the baby in this little towel, which I think is really cute. These are the baby bottles, which I think are really cute as well. There's just got marshmallows in, and then to keep the pink theme we've got pink sweets as well. And then we've also got baby shower charade, so we'll be playing some games as well. So we've set everything up, as you can see. The baby bottles are there and the cake and the balloons. Mum's just sitting over there having a rest for no reason. We're all going to be sitting over there, so we're literally just waiting for everyone to come now and waiting for Katrina to come. As I said, she literally doesn't know anything, so hopefully she doesn't cry. She probably will because her hormones are probably high. So it's like a quirky little area that we've got to ourselves. I love all the little seats, they're very cute. Yummy food has come out. You're bringing more out?
Sorry, we haven't finished.
You're bringing more out?
Some little raspberry mousses.
Okay.
Well, torts, should I say. Just some cinnamon mini donuts dipped in white and dark chocolate. These, we have got a mixture of fruit tarts. So you've got your fruits of the forest here, mandarin, and that one's a coconut one. The original plan was I was going to try and put it down the middle of the table, but I think I've cooked too much food. Obviously, we all know what scones look like.
That looks awesome.
The Victoria sponge, what I've done with it today is a nice fresh berry coulis instead of jam, because let's face it, everybody's a bit fed up of jam nowadays in their Victoria sponges. And there's some fresh chantilly cream and sliced strawberries on the inside. I have to put quite a lot of cream, so please don't try and pick it up and eat it, use a fork. Okay, your sandwiches, we have got some pastrami in there. Yes, the hummus is a tomato hummus, and then in there we've also got some sliced avocado and and a little bit of alfalfa in there as well. And that is not how you pronounce it.
What is it?
It's alfalfa. Oh, I call it alfalfa. Then again, I say French chili, so. So it's like a little herby thing.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Sounds lovely. Can't wait. The lady of the hour.
Close your eyes. Would you dream for me? Some paradise. Tell me who you see, 'cause I think I do. Want you next to me. Want you next to me. But does this work? 'Cause I know I can't get to you. I like the chase, and I know you do too. Am I just in love with the idea of you? 'Cause I'd cross a million seas. Would you do that for me? Yeah, I'd fly this whole world twice if I could be your paradise.
This is the baby shower charade. Okay, so we're going to go with this one, I think.
Go. Food. Pumpkin. Brush.
I know what
Breastfeeding. Extra.
breast milk, pumpkin breast milk.
Breast quack. Breast quack. Breast pump.
Yes.
What's that?
There you go.
Oh, it's got big after Oh no.
Your wish is my command. Your wish is my command. Drop it down low. Dropping a baby.
There's a baby dead. The waters are broken.
I knew that.
I'm gonna
I don't think you small when you want to drop it. She looked like she was going to drop it down. Oh God. Okay. He looks like you're having a poo.
I didn't clap. What's that? Giving birth.
Bring the baby back in.
Same slide. Do a same slide.
What's that?
What?
Same slide.
Same slide.
You can't make a noise.
No, you got it. Carry on.
I don't know what fast you for.
Baby moving. Pushing. Training.
This is so easy. That's the way to do it.
Baby. Hot.
Put the baby in the pot. I know. Look. So you're going to get
Potty training. Come on.
Yes!
broke. They really have.
I did this one.
Craving. Have I got it right?
Oh, I know you did it.
Come on.
Sweet. Hey there. Sleeping in daylight. Sleeping. Afternoon now. No, sleep at night. Lack of sleep at night.
No. Sleep in the day, no sleep in the night.
Sleep in the day. No sleep.
I'm trying to guess what I'm actually doing.
Sleeping. Sleepless night.
Yes!
I'll be while I go down a minute after.
They said to wait for the right time, and I think tonight might just be right. I know you want to do it too, so bring your courage, there's no rules. Don't be scared, just trust me. Take my hand any minute now. Get ready to smile.
I'm looking for a lovely teddy and I've been able to get one. You best be smaller than this. I said you best be smaller than this.
No, that might be nice. No, that'd be really nice.
Just in the street forever. Just forever. Just in the street forever. Now that you're knee deep in this vice, just enjoy, take my advice. You say that you love it and you're okay, but I know better and you're afraid. Have no shame, just let go. Follow me to another land. Try to understand. And I just wanna see the colors.
So guys, it is so much later on now. It is about 10 o'clock in the evening after the baby shower, so there wasn't really much to film afterwards. We just kind of chilled after we had food. Majority of them stayed for a few drinks. I was so tired. I don't know about you guys, but once I have something to eat, all I want to do is just literally sleep. So, and then I went and seen Jake for a little while. So this is why the makeup is all off. I took all the makeup off because it was just been on all day and I just really wanted to scratch it off, so I literally just applied some mascara and that was about it. So now I'm home. Yeah, this is a good night from me. I hope you enjoyed watching this vlog. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up just so I know you like watching vlogs and just so I know you want to see more of vlogs, as I said on my Instagram. I am going on a lot of trips recently, so I do want to vlog them, well, some of them anyway, so let me know if you do want to see vlogs on them anyway. So yeah, my Instagram is at Jadevanessa Moseley, so make sure you go and follow me on there just to keep up to date with my tutorials and what I'm doing on a daily basis, and also so you can keep up to date with my upcoming trips. So yeah, that's all I have to say for you guys. Other than I love you all so much, and from me it's good night, and I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye guys.